guys, so we're on a weekend trip to Blue Mountain. We're spending the night there, and then tomorrow we're doing a full day there, bunch of activities with the kids and everything else. Right now, along the way, we're gonna hit 6 different waterfalls, and then tomorrow on the way back, we're gonna hit 2 more. We just left Oakville. Our first stop is in Grey County.
Grey County, yep.
The waterfall called Holstein
Dam.
Holstein Dam. That's our first stop, and that's about an hour and a half drive.
Yep.
So
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
All right, guys. Here, where were you?
We're still in Wellington County. We just passed the small town called Erin. Yeah, it's still on the way. Going for our first waterfall. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.
People are still celebrating Canada Day, or they just are very patriotic, which is good.
And once you go up a little bit up north, it's all green like this. Be patient. Oh, we're still in the town of Erin. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, just be patient when you drive, because there's people that will try to overtake you. So you do have to let the crazy drivers go. Yeah, we're 25 minutes into our drive, right?
Yep, about 25 to 30, I would say. All right. Look at this little town,
Hillsburgh.
They have these like little signs on the light posts. It's so cute, and it says Hillsburgh on it with maple leaves. And it's 40 sort of. Yeah, baby. You're Casper the ghost. I am scared. But you are
flags at every post or every other post.
Every other. Or
Yes, baby.
I'm Casper the ghost. No,
You're Casper the ghost?
I'm Casper the ghost. This is my little brother.
Oh, it's so
Baby
nice.
Casper. No, you're baby.
It's a cute little town. There's a pool or something. Kids are coming from.
Baby Casper.
Little old church.
And we'll be passing a lot of these small towns.
Yeah.
There's a ton of them.
Hey, you know, we always. Oh, in a way, don't you think this kind of looks like Eastern, like some of the Eastern Europe towns that we pass by? Passes look. So you don't always have to go too far to do this.
Oh, I think we're leaving town.
All right, we're out of the little town
please
now.
slow down for my safety.
Cute little boy. Okay, let's see what we have. We're still in Wellington County though. Now we're going to see lots and lots of farms. Yes, baby.
Okay,
Can you put music?
Yes, I will. Oh, look at that.
You look over there.
That's beautiful.
I see it. I see it.
What do you see,
Boo-boo?
Liam?
I see that.
What's that?
Those rolling grass.
Their grass?
Oh, look on the side.
No, my
Yeah,
grass.
lots of cornfields.
They're cornfields. I see their corn there.
Oh, downhill.
Guys, downhill coming up. Somebody here loves that. And an old barn coming right up.
Ooh, downhill.
Yeah, you like that?
Yes.
It's kind of like a mini roller coaster. Who wants music? Alright, I'll put some music on. Okay, so we're in Dufferin County. It's just all these fields and fields of... Is that corn? That looks more like, I don't know, wheat maybe? Because we just saw wheat, but it was yellow. I don't know what this is. But it looks really pretty.
I see it. Look at the sand there.
Yeah, What color are those, Liam? And a beautiful house
And yellow.
So I'm turning left.
on 109.
It's better you hold her now.
What was that?
Just so people can slow down. Yeah, look at that.
That little hut made of wood.
So County Road 109. I'm turning left on it.
Left, yeah. Let's see. This looks like woods.
So Dufferin County 109. So how far on this one?
We're up to 21 kilometers.
21 kilometers.
Yeah. Oh, little river
Wow.
or creek.
Look at the rainbows.
What is that?
Rainbows.
Rainbow? You saw rainbow, my goodness.
There's that rainbow in the car.
Oh, it's far though.
No, I don't think it's some far.
Mom, but how did it cost?
Yeah, it's not. What is that?
That's not some far.
Canola? Do we have canola in Canada?
Maybe.
I don't know if you guys can see. It's all yellow fields now. Trying to figure out what that is. And then the regular corn. I will, baby. Some more farms.
Oh, look at the
And
window.
you saw, yeah, the windmill's all the way at the back. You saw the windmill? It's pretty, right? Okay, so we just entered the town of, I'm guessing it's a town, Arthur. And
says
it looks
Canada's
like it's
most.
their Canada's most? What?
Patriotic.
Oh, it's the Canada's most patriotic town. Look at all the Canadian flags. So I believe we're just driving through downtown Arthur, or their
Have we been
town
driving
center,
for
I
now,
don't
what,
know.
for about an hour?
yeah. Oh, it's
And
so
we're
beautiful.
starving. We're also looking for to eat lunch.
Yeah, something quick to munch on. Oh, I see a nice looking. What is that?
That's a church.
Is that a church?
Yep.
Yes, it is a cute little.
So where am I going?
Church.
Like, where am I going now?
Left.
And how far? That must be an old, really old church.
Yeah.
Still, it says Wellington County.
Father's Heart Healing Ministries. I don't know what that means. And I see more flags. They're definitely patriotic. Now you're so proud, or you're so, like, you're a proud Canadian, and this town is very proud.
Oh, that's the fire department right here.
Yep. Oh, look at that. Even their Farmers Plus has cute Canada logos. I don't know what they are.
Now, you think we're gonna find McDonald's around here?
Nope. So
So
we're on this for another 26 kilometers.
yeah. So
The
don't
gas
think-
is cheap, 95.9. It's 104.
Yeah, we need to pump gas too. Now, tell me something. So, what's the alternate option? If you see an A&W or something like
Yeah,
that, let me-
something quick to eat. I'm okay. Okay, there's nothing much happening here. So I'm gonna turn it off. Okay. Ooh. Cenotaph. Yeah.
We are going to Mount Forest.
Well, we are in Mount Forest, but we're already in Mount Forest, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just on our way to pick up pizza. Usually, I didn't see any McDonald's, although they do have A&W. Figured it's a cheaper option to just grab
Yeah.
full pizza.
Two.
Well, yeah.
A large and a small. Or how much?
Oh, look at that flower, so pretty.
Just
$16, which is so much cheaper than
so
going to
we're just now
McDonald's.
entering Mount Forest.
Okay, so
Hey, is that a castle? Oh, that looks like
It's not a- I think
Mount
it's-
Forest.
there you go. That's the
High,
welcome to
healthy, happy.
Mount Forest.
Better reduce your speed.
Almost here.
bridge for Constable Rick Hopkins Memorial Bridge.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. It's beautiful.
Beautiful water. Right, you can see. Well, and there we are. So,
Okay. Is that on the... That looks like a World War memorial.
yeah, that's what it looks
Wow.
like.
Yeah, it must be. And sorry, you said it's on the street.
Yeah, it's gonna be on your right. There's a Petro Canada too if you want gas.
Yeah, you know, maybe some gas. Should we grab pizza first and then eat and then?
Sure.
Okay. Gas.
Yeah, good price. I get 3 cents off. Bingo.
Yes, I'll come back here. Wow.
So this is a little town of, forgot what it was called.
Mount Forest.
Mount Forest.
Look at the church.
There's a little church over there.
Mr. Softy.
I know, I was just looking at that too.
Convenience store.
They have ice cream, guys.
We're not doing ice cream yet.
Okay. Alright.
Funeral home, animal hospital. Must be an old building. Look at this building.
Yeah. The Old Town ice cream shop.
Dominos. Oh, sorry. I saw Dominos.
Where is it? How did I miss? Oh, over there. Alright, okay. I'm going to hold this.
Alright guys, so we're in a small town called Mount Forest. We ordered pizza. I went to pick it up. It's a brown guy serving. I was shocked. You know, it's a little town. He was nice. He offered me a drink and I'm like, no. And he's like, no, it's on me. Then we realized that he's also Tamil. And he is the only Tamil guy in this town. So, coincidence. So this is where we picked up our food. First stop for lunch, pizza. One of my kids is asleep. The other one is hungry. She's gonna be eating soon.
Yeah.
Alright, so picked up the pizza and we're just driving away from this beautiful small town,
Mount Forest.
Mount Forest. So already had a great experience.
Well, just because he's from
And I need to pump gas, but we still, he can still go. So, yeah. And my wife is getting ready to feed me.
Not feed you or eat on your own.
Okay, well, feed me as in you give me the pizza.
Slice.
And there's the fire department of Mount Forest.
I like this guy. I was gonna say normally.
Alright, not sure if you guys can see it. That's Holstein. How do you pronounce that? I don't know.
I'm guessing Holstein, I don't know.
And our first stop to our first fall is coming up
In a few minutes.
in a few minutes. So I thought that was a cop. I don't want to get in trouble.
Okay, we're gonna turn left. Slow down.
Oh,
At 200. That's stop sign.
so that's stop sign.
Yeah.
So this one is a dam, right?
Yeah.
So it's still pretty. Oh,
I
oh,
see the
oh! I
sign.
see the sign. Sign for the dam.
It says welcome to Holstein.
Oh, there you go.
Please drive
Hey,
carefully,
look
guys.
who sponsored the. It's a. It's a religious thing. I'll explain to you after. Going for our first stop.
No, this street, the next street, we turn right.
Okay.
Right here. Slow down.
This is not a street.
Okay, next one. It's Main
Oh,
Street.
there's another pretty
here,
old
Holstein
church.
Dam.
Yeah. Oh, so good thing is.
Oh, it's right under this thing.
What? Are you serious?
I this you have to walk?
Yeah, I don't mind walking, but I just.
Can I take the car?
Yeah.
It's right below? Oh, really? So I stopped the car over there because I thought this was the this is here, but I see the sign over there. I should have turned left on that street, but I can already hear the creek. So we're just gonna go back to the car and go. Oh, I think my wife's asking for directions. Yeah, I saw that. I thought we missed it. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Nice boys. So, yeah. So we're gonna head back. Yeah.
I'm like, can I park right here? He's like, you can park over there.
So you can pull in here.
I didn't know that. See,
We got confused. As you can see, it has the sign right there.
But it does it say from the other side? Maybe it does. I just missed it.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, we were too busy, so.
Well, there's lots of shade. Oh, look, it's from 1906
1906 to
1981.
1981. And there's a bell right there.
Ooh,
Wow,
it's actually
it's
very pretty.
It's a
Yeah.
park, yeah.
They have picnic tables and everything.
Wow, look at that.
There's the area for picnic tables. Danger, keep right, guys.
Beautiful.
What's the danger?
Well, you want to be on the right side to drive, right?
Oh, I think
What's up there?
I have no idea, but
Oh, I think it's right under this. The picture, I remember it was like right under this. Well, here.
you stick around.
You do want to mention it's a great place for fishing.
Oh, okay. So
Really?
apparently it's a great place for fishing. Wow. This is so beautiful. Oh yeah, and she's right. I see people fishing. Oh, I may have to just fly my drone. Hi guys. How's it going? Oh, wow. So, yeah, it's right below, but I can't. Wow. Okay. Because everywhere else on the other side I don't see an entrance. So again, just you gotta be careful. Make sure you have good shoes, which I don't. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Now I can probably go down, but I can't just hold my phone and go. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strap it on myself. Alright, so I got this strapped. Now I don't need to worry about anything. Yeah, we did it. I hope you guys can see that. Yep. super gorgeous. So the bridge that I was on earlier is where it just flows into. So oh, I see a path on that side too, so maybe I could have came down better. You know what? I'm gonna go back and see if I can come through there. Okay, going up. I don't want to spend too much time as I have other falls to chase. Oh. Okay, I'm back. You can't really see. You gotta come around and down. Sorry? You gotta go down though, but it's not easy. Just be careful, okay? I don't know. Somebody stays near the car. So this is the other side that I'm trying. Just as slippery as the first one. My God. So you gotta be extremely cautious when you do this. Okay, now you got a amazing view. Okay, wow, look at that. My first stop. Beautiful. So that's it. I'm gonna turn the camera off and be on my way out. Alright, well, came back to my car. Apparently my wife went for a walk or something. Told her not to go places without me knowing, but she still did. Where can she be? Linda? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I just went down that way earlier. Oh. Just careful, it's slippery. No, it's slippery, Brenda. I'm telling you. I thought I was a crazy one, but she is too.